Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and download Chrome Remote Desktop on your laptop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chrome Remote Desktop website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, you're going to go to remotedesktop.google.com and this is going to take you to this main page. From this home page, we can get started. So this is the easy way to remotely connect with your home or work computer, and you're going to see two buttons right here on the home page that say access my computer and share my screen. So access my computer is going to enable you to securely access your computer whenever you're away, and the share my screen button is going to enable you to share your screen to collaborate in real time or connect with another computer. So from here we can get started. To be able to download it on your laptop, you can just choose whichever option you prefer right here, what you want to use it for, and it's going to take you to the next page from where we can get started with setting up remote access. So you can see set up this computer to be remotely accessed from another device, and this is going to be doable using the download button. So what you want to do is open up your laptop, go to the website just like I showed you right here, open up the button, and it's going to take you to the page, and you want to download Chrome Remote Desktop on your laptop. From there you're going to go and be able to install it and set it up, and just like that you're going to go ahead and be able to use your devices from another device using Chrome Remote Desktop. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.